Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off ChatGPT History. If you want ChatGPT to stop saving new conversations in your history, so to start, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile in the bottom left corner. Now in here, tap Settings. Next, on the left side, select Data Controls. Then at the top, you can see Improve the model for everyone. So you can turn that off. So if it's turned on, you can disable it just like so and click on Done. So once you turn this off, your future conversations won't be used for model training. So click on Done to save the changes. Now, if your goal is to remove existing chat history, so you can delete individual conversations from the sidebar, or you can go to Settings, then go to Data Controls, and choose Delete All Chats under Data Controls. So click Delete All, then confirm deletion, and that's basically it. So again, you just need to open your profile in the bottom left corner, then go to Settings, then go to Data Controls, and go to Improve the model for everyone. Click on that and just turn it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching.